Hello, my dear friend. Imagine this. You're lying in bed after a long day, the house is quiet, the lights are off, and everything seems ready for rest. But just as you begin to drift into deep sleep, your bladder interrupts. You wake up, walk across the cool floor, use the bathroom, and try to fall asleep again. Then, a few hours later, it happens once more. Does this sound familiar? If it does, you are certainly not alone. Nighttime urination, also called nocturia, is one of the most common struggles faced by people over 60. But here's something most people don't realize. Waking up 2, 3, or even 5 times a night is not simply part of getting older. In fact, many seniors are unknowingly making one critical mistake. And it's this very mistake that keeps them from enjoying peaceful, uninterrupted sleep. Today in this video on Golden Rest Guide, we will uncover that mistake together and learn how to correct it with 5 simple, natural changes. I'm Dr. Meena Sharma, and I've spent years helping older adults regain their strength, health, and quality of life. In this video, my goal is not just to share knowledge, but to give you clear, practical steps you can follow starting tonight. If this is your first time visiting Golden Rest Guide, let me warmly welcome you. This channel is dedicated to your well-being after 60, helping you sleep better, move with more energy, and feel younger than your years. Now let's begin. Many people think waking up to urinate several times each night is inevitable, but research tells us otherwise. In fact, over 78% of older adults who suffer from nocturia are not dealing with a disease. It is their daily habits that are causing the problem. These habits, often small and unnoticed, train the body to produce more urine at night and disrupt the natural sleep cycle. The truth is, your kidneys are designed to slow down at night, not speed up. But when the wrong signals are sent, the bladder keeps working and you keep waking. Let me share a story. A 72-year-old man I once worked with believed nighttime urination was just his age. He woke up 4 or 5 times every night, and as a result, his days were filled with exhaustion. His memory weakened, his balance became unstable, and he even slipped one night while rushing to the bathroom. After making just 3 simple changes to his evening habits, he reduced his nightly trips to just 1. For the first time in years, he slept deeply, and he told me, "Doctor, I feel 20 years younger." That is the power of correcting this mistake. So, what is the mistake? The mistake is not realizing that your evening routine controls your bladder at night. The food you eat, the drinks you choose, the timing of your dinner, even the temperature of your bedroom, all of these factors silently decide whether you will sleep peacefully or keep waking up. Let's walk through the 5 habits that make the biggest difference. Habit 1. Evening liquids. Drinking too much water, tea, or soup within 3 hours of bedtime overloads your bladder. Many seniors believe herbal tea or hot milk will help them sleep. But in reality, this liquid forces the kidneys to work through the night. By simply setting a liquid cutoff time, no drinks within 3 hours before bed, you give your bladder time to rest. One of my patients, a woman from Jaipur, followed this rule, and within 2 weeks she was sleeping 6 to 7 hours without interruption. Habit 2. Late dinners and natural diuretics. Foods like cucumber, watermelon, celery, coffee, chocolate, and green tea are natural diuretics, meaning they increase urine production. If you eat them after 4 p.m., you are setting yourself up for a restless night. Shifting dinner to earlier in the evening and avoiding diuretics after the afternoon is a powerful change. One gentleman in Kochi moved his dinner from 8:30 p.m. to 6:30 p.m. and stopped drinking green tea in the evening. Just this change reduced his nightly bathroom visits from 4 times to once. Habit 3. The just-in-case mistake. Many older adults use the bathroom right before bed, even without feeling the urge. They think it will help them avoid waking later. But the opposite happens. Over time, the bladder becomes overly sensitive and starts sending false signals. A 74-year-old woman in Pune learned this and started trusting only her true urge. Within weeks, she trained her bladder to be calmer, and she enjoyed 5 to 6 hours of uninterrupted sleep. Habit 4. Sleeping posture. Your sleeping position can quietly pressure your bladder. Stomach sleeping or curled postures are often the problem. Instead, try sleeping on your left side with a pillow between your knees. This position improves circulation, relieves pressure on the bladder, and promotes deep rest. A retired teacher from Kochi adopted this posture, and within 2 weeks, his nighttime wake-ups reduced dramatically. Habit 5. Bedroom temperature and clothing. Overheating at night increases urine production. Many seniors close their windows, wear heavy sleepwear, or keep the room too warm. But studies show the ideal sleep temperature is between 18 to 20 degrees Celsius. One school teacher from Chennai switched to light cotton pajamas, opened her window slightly for airflow, and noticed a huge improvement. Her night trips to the bathroom dropped by half, simply by keeping her body cooler. Now let's return to the key mistake: ignoring how small evening habits affect nighttime sleep. It is not your age, not your bladder getting weaker, but these overlooked patterns. Once you adjust them, your body restores its natural rhythm. Imagine sleeping 6 or 7 peaceful hours, waking up energized, focused, and steady on your feet. This is not just possible, it is within your reach. So what do you need to do next? Begin with one change tonight. Maybe you decide to set a water cutoff time or shift dinner earlier. Over the next week, add another adjustment. Step by step, you will notice fewer interruptions, deeper sleep, and brighter mornings. If you are watching this far, I know you are serious about your health and your happiness. Please type the word hope in the comments if you are ready to make these changes and reclaim your nights. Also, share your city or country. It helps us build a supportive community of people who are all on this journey together. And before you go, remember to subscribe to Golden Rest Guide and click the notification bell. Every week, we bring you practical, science-based tips to sleep better, age gracefully, and live with energy well into your 70s and 80s. If you found this helpful, share this video with someone you love. They may also be waking up at night without knowing why. You have spent years caring for others. Now it is time to care for yourself. I wish you a peaceful night ahead, and I look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, sleep well, stay healthy, and remember, you deserve rest.